Okay, Thursday. Just come upstairs to go to the loo after toddlers. Alex is asleep on the sofa. It's nice and quiet, so I think I'll just have a quick wee. Upstairs like normal. Turn the corner. See the floor? Doesn't really look that much from here, does it? Got the bed's all messy. Now that bed was perfect. Piglet asleep on the bed. More stuff on there. If you look, it's everywhere. Look at the floor. Feathers. There's been a massacre in my bedroom while I've been out. So I'm looking to see. Look at the feathers are everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. And there's the dead bird. And that's Ralphie, who obviously thinks he's clever because he's obviously been playing with it as well. So now I've got to get rid of the dead bird, bring the Hoover upstairs and tidy it all up.